Muthenya wa ira niguo practicals cia kigeranio gia KCSE irambiririe guothe bururi-ini na ciugeranio cia KCP na KPSE gitanyo gukambiriria tariki 30 kiumia giukite. No ona KANJU ya IGERANIO KNEC hamwe na Ministry ya Githomo gukinyiriria ni maririire mibango ya gutigirira igeranio ici ni ciethie na mbere hatari mihiga o yothe. Bunge ya bururi ni onanitie kwaga kuiganira na mamwe ma mendekithia ma KANJU ya IGERANIO KNEC ni iriga kwendekithia maratathi maria arutwo maraikarira magiragwo maita meri ari njira ya kung'ethanira na WUICI wa igeranio riria ririendekithia ritana yukionia mwe ya Ambunge.
Not practical, and the KNEC and the minister and the whole education fraternity have to retract and revisit this issue within the shortest time possible and supervise the exam that it is done without cheating but in a practical manner.
How can the exam be taken from Lokori to Kapedo, then back in the afternoon? How many hours? And the journey is a journey of 7 hours.
And the possibility that the exams, if they have to be done in the morning, returned to the sub-county headquarters and picked for the afternoon, this might pose a very major challenge, Mr. Speaker.
Mubunge wa Kathiani Robert Mbui ni wotamanirie ndereti ino akiuga mathina ma mathukuru mamwe gukorwo maraihaniriire na ceceni cia kuiga maratathi mbura icigo imwe gukorwo igumirwo na itoi cia WUICI wa mahiu ni mamwe ma maria mangihotomia gukinyanira kwa riendekithia riri.
What happens that the trips will actually be double. That means the cost of transportation of exams will double. As a ministry provided that kind of money, Mr. Speaker.
Some of these areas that are very difficult are bandit invested, as you say. So, Speaker, as we even talk now in some school, Kabindasun, bandits are actually marooned GSU officers. The security forces are more insecure than the citizens. What about the students?
Because even giving one person who is a manager to have or to get hold of this exam with a border man alone, I don't think that the exams will be really fair.
Detweko ni WUICI wa igeranio ariondo wa bunge mendekithĩtie KANJU ya igeranio na Ministry ya Githomo ifatie kung'ethanĩra naguo kaimana makiendekithia Minister wa Githomo bururi-ini Ezekiel Machogu kinye mbere ya bunge ya bururi niguo gutariria mubango wa kunina WUICI wa igeranio.
The Honorable CS for Education be given time to come to this house before we close so that he gives confidence to these members and Kenyans that exams will be clean. Otherwise, we shall have the same case we had last time when one school got all the A's and others got nothing.
This is shameful. It is the high time Kenya National Examination Council actually woke up and they became serious and they took the issues of examinations very seriously.
Ohoro wa mathukuru kwaga guthukirwo kigina kiganu no wirikanire kuhotomia mibango ya igeranio. Kamiti ya mwanya area ya murirwo kurora na kuruga mutaratara wa CBC igiukirirwo ni gukorwo itategemanĩtie riboti yayo mbere ya bunge gukinyaniria na riu.
We must work together on this to ensure that we flush out the culprits in NEC that are making the situation unbearable for the children of Kenya.
The center of all this is also lack of money in the schools because the practicals require money and there's no money in the schools. The last tranche to be sent was long time ago.